How to hide PS4 games in your library and activity feed, Android Central. Our game libraries can be a bit of a mess. Especially if we frequently purchase a lot of titles. Whether you just want to hide some of them because you dislike their cover art or you have a more utilitarian reason, like hiding those you'll never complete, here's how to make them disappear from your library without actually getting rid of them. To reveal any games you have hidden. Hid options on your controller once again and select Check Hidden Content Items. This only works for games tied to your PSN account under Purchased. If you scroll through your games listed under this PS4, you will not see the option to hide them. And if you want to hide certain games from your activity feed, profile, and trophy list, there's another method to do so. Note that this won't hide them from your own profile should you check for them on your account. But it will stop other people from viewing them if they visit your profile. There are other ways to enter your hidden game settings from various menus. But I found the above to be the most straightforward. Using a PlayStation Store gift card is a convenient way to make your digital purchases without needing to worry about what goes on your credit card. Pick up a gift card today and start browsing the store. Whether you've got the original model, the Slim or the Pro. If you travel with your PS4, these are the accessories to get. If you're looking to scratch the strategy itch on your PS4, check these titles out. No matter what kind of strategy game you like, there's something out there for you. Jennifer Locke has been playing video games nearly her entire life. If a controller's not in her hands, she's busy writing about everything PlayStation. You can find her obsessing over Star Wars and other geeky things on Twitter at genlock95. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.